How's your day, everyone? Quantum here, and I'm back for another anime setup. Want a setup like this? So, stir up with me until the end of the video. Let's start by installing these apps. All of the link is in the description. Did you know that your support keeps this channel alive? So give this video a thumbs up, and grab the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to keep you updated with my videos. Here we go. Open the Niagara launcher, select your favorite apps, or your most useful apps to add it on your home screen. Then let's grant these permissions. Set Niagara as your default launcher. You can hide your unused apps, and grant all of the rest notifications. Go to Niagara settings, and let's change the icon style. Choose Delta Icon Pack. Decrease the size of your icon. And then hide the alphabet. After that, go to Feature section, and let's change the widget. But turn off these settings first. Then let's add our custom widget. Find and choose the 4x4 size KWGT. Press and hold the widget, move it to the top of screen by clicking Resized. And then click the blank widget. Choose Vanilla Widget Pack. Find the widget that named Vanilla 014. You will find it near at the bottom. Now pay attention with these settings. Go to Layer and increase its scale by doing this. Back to Items, click the overlap group, reposition it to the left. Don't forget to save the progress. Oh, it looks too small, maybe let's increase it a little bit. And then set the anime wallpaper. The link is in the description. Looks great. You can also change each icon manually by doing this. And add more apps on your home screen if you want. You can also try the other widgets. Now for the last thing, match it with this lock screen wallpaper. Download link is also in the description. I hope you like this video. I have more upcoming setups like this. Just comment down below if you have a request or questions. Thanks, and see you on my next one.